Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Oston back again with another simple tutorial on web development. So using this framework called Materialize, I'm going to be showing you how you can design the different types of icons on your website the way Google does it, because this framework was created by Google or workers at Google. So I'm going to be showing you how you can design your icons or show you the different types of icons you can use in your future projects. That's what I'm going to be doing. So to get started, right in the previous tutorials I was just showing you how you can handle everything and already downloaded files. So today I want to show you how you can get this and include it in your project. So you can click on get started, go to materializecss.com, then place on get started. Sorry for being too fast. So here they will show you the different download options. You can either download this Materialize that will include the CSS and JavaScript files, or if you're good with SAS, you can download this. But I advise you to always take this when you're not well off with such stuffs. So below here, in case you are not willing to download anything and put it on your local server, you can include them using the CDN, the Content Delivery Network links. So you can copy these links. The first one is for CSS. So copy that, Ctrl C on your keyboard, go to your head section and include it there. The second one is for JavaScript, so also copy it, Ctrl C on the keyboard, scroll down to the extreme end. It's always good to always load JavaScript last on your page. Then that's it. Now for our icons to work, we need to search for icons. So there is some search field here. Just click on icon to display what you're supposed to click on. Now they will show you the usage. Now the usage is copy this link and include it in your head section since it's a CSS file or link, sorry. So that's all we need to start our simple project here. So if I go back to the page and reload, this one is going to be centered and we shall have some panels there, some default styling I created. Don't mind about this. I'll show you how we can come up with this. So in Bootstrap, when we are creating icons, remember, if you have ever tried Bootstrap, I'm just showing you how it was done. Like, we would write a span tag and then we put a class of graphicon dash user, and they will display an icon for the user. You can say download and they display the icon for download, or email and they display the icon for email. But it's totally different with this framework called Materialize. So in this framework, we just write the icon tag, then give it a class, give it a class of material dash icons, and in the middle here, it's where you put the name of the icon. And the live example I'm going to show you, it's with this Google product called AdSense. So as you can see, AdSense before loading, it displays the names of the icons. As you can see, we have help, Movet, menu, home, picture in picture, block, assessment, settings, feedback, something like that. We have the keyboard arrow down, keep. So I'm going to be showing you arrow drop down, something like that. So I'm going to show you how you can include that. So you write this I tag, then give it a class of material dash icons, then in the middle of this tag you write the name of the icon. Let's say menu. So when we save this and preview it in the browser, see, we have an icon of menu. So it is the icon supposed to be here when the page is fully loaded. Very simple. as you have guessed, iTag, class, material icons. Inside here we say home. Refresh, and I will show you the home. So home is the icon supposed to be here. Now before we go on with other icons, I would like to show you something. With these icons right now, by default they are small, but in case you want to make it big or large, medium, something like that, you come at the start and say like large, save, and we are going to get a large icon of the menu. Let me copy this several times for menu. I'm going to do like this for this case. Now they go in order. The first one is tiny. Say tiny. We have small, we have medium, and we have large. So this is how they will be displayed. You see tiny, small, medium, large. Very, very simple. So it depends on what you will be doing, the types of icons you will be using in your project. So tiny, small, medium, large. Very, very simple. Now let's leave all of them at small. Small. Now we are going to make this one home. We want to make this one feedback. So we just put the names, and we are going to make this one, let's say, more underscore vet. Refresh, and this is what we are having. So they are the icons supposed to be like here. Feedback, more vet, it's the icon you find here. These 3 dots, always fine. Now, there are very, very many icons. I don't think we can cover all of them in the same tutorial, but always take time, go and read the documentation. Have settings, we have Bluetooth, we have help, we have model underscore edit. So all of those are icons. As you can see, settings, Bluetooth, help, underscore, mod underscore edit. What else? Basing on these, we have keyboard arrow down. So we can come here and we say we have keyboard underscore down underscore arrow. Refresh. Oh, what's the name? It's arrow down, arrow down, save. So this is the icon. You can go on and come out with your own icons you want. Payment. Basing on this one, we have, there is assessment, save that, preview it in the browser. Yes, payment, assessment. What else? There are very, very many. If you go back to this section, they will show you the different types of icons you can use. Account circle. Let's first try account circle. Account underscore circle. Oh, SP of circle. Very simple. Now let me first remove this CDN and you see how the page will look like. Or let me first remove it. Refresh the page and you only see words on your website. The same applies to this. You see before it loading there is block, assessment, setting, feedback, move it, keep. So it's what will happen to your website. When the website doesn't load, they will display the name of the icon that is supposed to be there. You can see feedback, move it, settings, Bluetooth, help, mode, underscore edit. So if we put it back and save and reload this page, we shall get back our icons. So that's how you can include icons in your projects. And always go and read the documentation and see the favorable icons that your project will be in need of. Subscribe to the channel if this tutorial was useful to you, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.